Welcome to Sleepy Hollow, New York. All the history, all the legends. You could just feel it in the air. This is one of the most special places in New York. I've heard people are really losing their heads over this next place. What did I just see? I'm going crazy.
Charlie.
Hello. How are you?
Man, welcome to Stone Manor in Sleepy Hollow.
You got some neighbors around.
Oh, I heard about that. Yeah, hey, well, come on in. We'll show you around.
Julian, how are you?
Nice to see you.
Man, I've heard about your work as a home stylist. Honored to see it in person.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Welcome to Stone Manor. The house is 4,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, sleeps up to 12 guests, and it's perfect for your next group gathering. So here we are in the Sunset Salon. We got this nice western-facing view, expansive over the Hudson River. You can see the fall foliage in the background, and we really want to draw your eye to the view and make this space a nice conversational area without a TV, so you can actually focus on the nature that's outside in front of you. As you enter through the front door, you come into a nice, spacious, open concept living area. We got a second living room down there, a dining table with 8, and then you enter into the newly renovated kitchen with an expansive eat-in island. It's really the perfect spot for entertaining. We have the main primary and there's a second primary on the other side of the house. Both have soaking tubs, perfect to relax and unwind after a day of exploring the area.
Man, I feel like you've really figured every angle of fun out in here. And I've heard it hits its high point in the arcade.
Oh, for sure. The pool table, the foosball table, the big screen TV, it's the perfect place to play. Head on down, meet Noah.
Beautiful. He's got game.
Charlie, there he is.
How are you, man?
How are you?
This is incredible what you built here.
So I think this property is best described as a home base for all things family gatherings, events. So whether it's a wedding, whether it's a wedding party, whether it's graduation, or just a family retreat in a serene setting like Stone Manor, this is the place to be.
I'll tell you what, Stone Manor, that's a place for me, man. Thank you so much for having us.
Hey, my pleasure, and I think you're up. Get up there.
All right, I'm ready for it. Hopefully I don't lose my head here.
That's the one.
What a town you got, bud. It's incredible. Hey, tonight, I'm taking the over on Ichabod Crane for 100 yards. Sleepy Hollow High School playing out of their minds, or I guess out of their heads this season.